I truly adore you. Kyntien Ksiar golden ones you ask for. My love, I'm ready for me. This is so lovely, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back all. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we are back again with another suggested reaction by the title Kyntien Ksiar, guys. By the way, my friends, they are busy with the college, so that's why I'm reacting alone, but don't worry, soon they will be back with me. And yeah, I can't wait or hold because I know you guys are outside there waiting to see a lot of reaction. So today we are checking out Kyntien Ksiar, guys, by the favorite and the best musician of all time by the name Ram Suchiang, guys. I know this guy and I came to know that he's one of the best singer out there in Shillong, guys. So let's do it. Make sure to subscribe, put on the bell, guys, because if we post any video you will get notification to watch. Make sure to suggest other trending or latest song, guys. Let's do it. Kyntien, what does it mean? Kyntien Ksiar, guys. Ram Suchiang Bala.L.Mawlong. I think Mawlong is a place in Shillong, right? This is the cab or taxi in Shillong. This guy also, I saw him somewhere before. He's a very good. I can't imagine all this in my life. Wow. The change that came staring into my heart. Subtitle is there, guys, so definitely I'm going to understand. Are marwe, like I can't help but be smiling. Yapi nadu, always long for you. All the time I am remembering you. Wow. You come into my dreams all the time. Oh my God. One ba? Did they say one ba? One ba. Shall my hands reach you out here? Oblay is go. Oblay. Okay, guys, subtitle is provided. Okay, that is why I'm getting to understand little Khasi language, like oblay. Oblay is God in Khasi language. So I'm reading everything, and it's so nice, so romantic. Like the lyric, guys, I really love the lyrics. So check it more. I truly adore you. Golden ones you ask for. My love, I'm ready for me. This is so lovely, guys. This guy is very good actor, guys. I still remember I saw him in one music video, but I don't remember. What is his name, guys? This guy wearing black. They both look beautiful. Around the world, no love can find your ones love that you go out. When there is love, there is comfort and find. Jonga Api Ubi Aklong Chipai Kyntien Ksiar. I want to speak Khasi so bad, guys. Jonga Api Ubi That is so romantic, lovely show. I feel like to dance. I need someone to dance with. Is the boy meeting mom? Mother of the girl, or is the mother of the girl? I want to know this part. I'm a little confused. I want to know the last part. Okay, guys, the last part, like they made mother, right? I just want to know, like, is that mom belong to the lady or to the boy, guys? Because, like, I heard something actually about Meghalaya. I want to clear this doubt, guys. That, okay, I think for sure, I think the lady made whatever. I'm not going to guess. I just want to know, guys. Let's say, for example, okay, for example, if a couples from both place, like from Shillong, Meghalaya, okay, and they love each other, who is the first person to introduce to the family? Is it a girl first to introduce the boy, or the boy first to introduce the girl, guys? This is one thing I want to know. And in case you want to know from Africa, like for us, guys, the first thing is a lady has to introduce the boy or the man. If the man is accepted, then it's okay. But like as a boy, for us, normally we can introduce, right? But this, anytime you can introduce as boys, or let's say, okay, like male. As a male, you can introduce anytime. You can tell your family. Like for boys, it's not that big trouble. Like mostly, there is no issue with that. But it's not guaranteed. Like it's not guaranteed if you introduce. Like if I introduce a khasigirl to my family, it is not guaranteed. Like if a girl introduce me to the family. So this one is more guaranteed, because if the family of the girl are okay, then there is no problem with that, right? So what I was trying to ask, who used to introduce the first, a lady or the man, guys? Anyway, you can tell me much also about the Khasi culture. Like I came to know that like their marriage also doesn't require dowry. Like it's free marriage. Once you love each other, you can just get married when the parents are okay with that. And I also heard that the last born, the youngest born in the family, always inherit the whole property of the parents. So this is what I know. You can let me know, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. Make sure to subscribe. I love the music. So romantic. I understood everything because subtitle is there. And just know Ram Suchiang is now among my favorite singers. Ram Suchiang and Wanba, guys. Wanba, Wanju for sure. You know them. Mar local. Peace out. Love from Africa.